The ancient text of The Art of War by Sun Tzu says, when employing the military, the highest principle is to secure victory without fighting. The next best is to attack the enemy's alliance. Worst policy is to attack cities. This means the ultimate goal is to win without engaging in battle. Sun Tzu believed that true mastery of warfare lies in outsmarting the enemy, not simply overpowering them on the battlefield. Using strategy, deception, and psychological warfare, one can achieve victory without ever having to shed blood. This concept of winning without fighting has been studied and applied for centuries, proving time and time again to be the most effective way to conquer an opponent. It is not about brute force, but about cunning intellect and shrewd tactics. So remember, true greatness in war is not about how many battles you win, but about your ability to outwit your enemy and emerge victorious without ever having to raise a sword. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for more insightful content.